Okay, this is a 50-inch Casablanca Delta 2 ceiling fan. I believe the finish is antique white, although not 100% sure. That's what it appears to be, but it might be something different. There's the tag. There's the serial number. And this is one of the later Delta 2s, I believe from 1997. Non-reversible blades. And there's the top. And judging by the way the top of the motor is, like that isn't the same design they have for a K55 motor. K55 motors usually have it look like this, like on this K55 Four Seasons right here. So that may imply that this fan has an XLP motor instead of a K55 motor. I don't know for sure if that's what it means. It might just be a different design, but I'd assume that's what it means. And then goes up to the top there. Post-recalled hang screw, obviously. And this isn't the original Downrod. The original Downrod made it hang a bit too low. Here it is right over here. As you can see, the finish corresponds better. And also the light is not original. The fitter came from a Laguna. The globe came from a Moss Tropical Breeze Deluxe. And two other tells it has that it's a later Delta 2 is that it uses Phillips screws instead of flathead screws. And the fact that it has the more fluffy, fibery vents as opposed to the more papery vents. And it does have a 4.5 flywheel. I got this from John Pernock, which he very graciously gave to me for not a penny in return. And I got this along with a Delta 3, except that fan I didn't get from him, I got that from Mark Castro. But I got them at the same time, so. Anyways, let's demonstrate it now. There's the light. Here's low. Medium. And another thing is that this fan is, it's in really good shape. Pretty much the only fluke that I found with it is that one of the blades is a little bit lower than the others. It's most likely at the fault of the bracket. If you look at the you can see that it has a bit of a wave in it like that. Yeah, that's because one of the blades is a little bit lower than the others. Gives it a bit of a wobble on high, throws it a tad bit out of balance, but apart from that, this fan is in like great shape, as if it were, you know, brand new. high speed. Blowing a ton of air, as you can probably hear. And off. So there you go. This is my 50-inch newer model Casablanca Delta 2 ceiling fan, and this is the 4th Delta 2 that I have in my collection at this point. Yeah, it's quite a few Delta 2s, to be honest with you, and I'm sure it's only going to be more from here on out. So anyways, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.